everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial.
Yeah.
We'll be focusing on how to eat.
Yay.
And now turn around. That's your
It's a
food.
poison. Are you trying
And
to?
there's mine.
You trying to get me poison?
Num num.
I can't grab it. It just keeps on spinning.
Just hold the item frame. Another step to eating. Now firstly, hold down
I'm
on
holding
the
the-
screen.
I'm holding the item frame.
Then you are eating. Now, as you can see, I'm invincible and you are dying.
No.
You're dying. Be quiet.
No, you're dying. Sheep,
Say
I'm
goodbye.
sorry.
I'm going to kill you because I just ate an enchanted golden apple. This is turned into war.